Hi friends, are you looking for unbiased direct football shop reviews? If yes, then watch this video till end as today in this video I'm going to share all the authentic information related to this shopping website. And by the end of the video I will let you know is direct football shop legit or a scam website. But before starting guys, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So through this video you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that Direct Football Shop offers variety of football t-shirts, jerseys and other merchandise for all the major national and Premier League teams, both for men and women in almost all sizes. And guys, here we can see that this website claims to be associated with many popular brands such as Reebok, Adidas, Nike and so forth. And before proceeding further, friends, I would request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the available payment options are Visa, PayPal, Stripe and MasterCard. And guys, here we can see that the safest and highly preferable option, that is cash on delivery, is also available. Now let's check the delivery information. So here we can see that orders will be processed and dispatched within 9 to 12 days of ordering. And apart from this, we can see that the shipping charges are not specified here. So now let's have a look on return and refund policies. So in terms and conditions section, we can see that their return policy lasts for 7 days. And the important point to note here is that the returned product must reach to them within 14 days. And guys, here we can see that they haven't specified that who would be responsible for the reverse pickup charges. And talking about the refund procedure, so guys, here we can see that all refunds will be processed as a credit back to the original card account number. And apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so here we can see that if once an order is placed, a customer can request to cancel it within 72 hours of purchase. Now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here in customer service section, we can see that an email ID is provided, which is support@directfootballshop.co.uk. And addition to this, contact number along with company's address is also provided. But guys, here I would like to inform you that the given address is inaccurate because on Google Map this address leads to some other destination. So now let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, Direct Football Shop uses HTTPS connection, therefore the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. But it alone is not sufficient to determine the authenticity of any website. Therefore, let's check the details related to registration. So guys, the domain name of Direct Football Shop was registered on 24th February 2021. And here we can see that the domain is registered only for 1 year. Apart from this guys, we can see that the trust index of the website is just 1%, which is extremely poor. Also, the owner of the domain name is hidden, which again is a negative sign. Also, 33% of the content over the website is copied as it matches with other scam websites, and the images of the products too are duplicate. And guys, according to Alexa Traffic Rank, this website is ranked 0 among many other million websites. So again, it's a negative highlight. And talking about the Direct Football Shop reviews, so here on the official website you will see that there is a separate section for customer reviews. And here in total 6 reviews are available where customers have appraised the quality of the products offered. But guys, I found few negative customer reviews over the reliable sites on the internet where customers have stated that this website is a scam. So guys, it's a red flag because customer reviews are one of the most critical factor in determining the legitimacy of any website. So guys, loopholes such as incorrect contact details, negative customer remarks, low score on Trustpilot, low Alexa rank, copied content and duplicate images of the products makes us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So guys, based on all these checkpoints, I would highly recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website as there are high chances of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about the authenticity of Direct Football Shop. And friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below so that other viewers get to know about your shopping experience with this seller. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.